Guys, I am terribly sorry. As I was reaching for the stock rather, the camera got knocked over and pushed down, and that was it. We are not redoing this, so we're just going to do a part 1 and part 2. Now, if you look at this ring here, this ring right here, okay, and if you look at this buttstock here, the stock itself, furniture, this is going to come upside down, and it's going to go into this ring here. And I'm going to try to do it at an angle where I can get on camera without knocking the camera over. Okay, and you drop it down into the thing. Okay. And this is what you look like when you're done. Okay, nice and easy. Okay. Now, take the trigger assembly. If you do this with the trigger closed, it will not go. Okay? The trigger must be open. With the trigger open, try to slide it into the base. If you'll notice, the trigger is like that. Okay? Tire trigger housing is like that. And I'm going to push this in, and it's going to snap into that hole. Okay? And this can be very, very tight and very, very tough, but it's going to go in. And you'll hear that snap, and it sounds like fucking bone breaking, doesn't it? Okay, now the top handguard is very simple. I simply bend over and lip into lip, and the top handguard will look like this, going into the lip. And it will simply press down. And you hear that snap. Now, if everything has worked correctly, we're going to do a quick function check. Okay. The function check is as follows. Rack. And hit this button to make sure it locks. Okay. Make sure it closes. Safety off, safety on. We're also going to try to see if we'll feed a magazine. I have a magazine here. Here, in this flap here. Okay. We're going to take the magazine with the safety on. We're going to feed the magazine in. Dad, get that for 1 minute, please. And it will snap in. And we'll charge. We immediately unload this. Clear it. What? Hold on 1 minute, please. Sorry, the door rang. I'm terribly sorry about that. We will take out all the ammunition here. We will attempt to load up empty magazine. Should do this beforehand, right? And by loading an empty magazine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, empty. By loading the empty magazine, the apparatus will hold closed on its own. On its own. Magazine flies free, and just for the sake of it, we will do a dry fire test. Okay. Put the safety back on. And once again, we're gonna check make sure there's no ammunition in the magazine, the gun rather. Okay. And that is it. I am terribly sorry that we had that little knockoff and had to do it again, but part 1 and part 2 are up. Thank you.